Hi, my name is Dean Dickmore. I'm a mechanical designer and a CAD administrator here at Petersen Incorporated. I have the good fortune of being able to work on everything from automation equipment all the way through amusement, nuclear, and petroleum products. Petersen's has been here since '61, founded in a little garage by quite a handy gentleman and his son come in years ago. Starting off working repairing farming equipment and everything else, and it grew into that to aerospace work, actually working on one of the original moon landers. We now serve, I would say, everything from the shipping industry on the East Coast, power generation, nuclear waste handling, nuclear fuel generation, weapons development with some of our local suppliers for our military, amusement rides, and everybody is always liking that. There's nothing we can't do or handle any given time. We have approximately 200 projects going on here. Anything from something you can hold in your hand to build to 200 ton plus. We've implemented PDM in the past few years for our document and data management, and it is far and above what the old Workgroups PDM was. Friendlier, more robust. We're working at remote locations. We've got 2 facilities. We can have multiple people working on the same project, sub-assemblies and everything else, doing our configuration, management, version, and revision management. That's been a huge plus to us. The fact that SolidWorks is so user-friendly and the PDM data management is user-friendly has allowed us a lot of latitude with regards to controlling our quality documents, our inspection. We're even putting our procedures in there, contracts and what have you, because we can control those as well in a single spot, single source data. It's eliminated a number of issues we'd normally have on the floor with regards to building to possibly incorrect revisions. This way we know we're always getting the latest versions.
My name is Ken Campbell, and work here at Petersen Incorporated as the IT manager. One of the things that has helped us a lot is the ability for us to change the workflows fairly easy, adding users to the groups and administering it that way has been fairly simplistic. When there is a change that needs to be done, it's fairly rapid that we can get on that and take care of it for the end user.
Prior to our implementation of SolidWorks PDM, we did not have a good way, an efficient way of managing parametric CAD files. Just single files that had no external links was reasonably easy to deal with in a regular Windows or DOS environment. The thing about it is in order to actually do an efficient revision, we would have to copy an entire project from, say, one location to another, and then revise each and every individual assembly part drawing as needed. So now we've got duplicate file sets, which can be very confusing, let alone the network strain it would cause with all of these files on at any given time.
It's made things more efficient on the network as far as traffic loads and things like that, where it stores the files local. Security side of it's been pretty simplistic, especially with workflows. And setting those up, we got a couple of sysadmins that it was easy to train them. They've been able to kind of just run it with hardly any support.
We evaluated a number of document management systems, and there's some good ones out there. We went with SolidWorks PDM because of the symbiotic nature it has with SolidWorks itself. And it's just easy to use, simple as that. GoEngineer come up and did some training with us, help us set up our workflows that we instructed them on, which was a great way to go. Frankly, in that respect, we were probably our own worst enemy because we made it way too complicated in the beginning. Because the software under itself is a fantastic tool for controlling each and every one of the files. The nice thing is it'll even recognize the parametric relationship between other mechanical CAD packages. It's been a great tool to manage all the files that we have incoming from our customers. And again, we can revise our inspection plans, procedures, and go back to a single source data so that we don't have multiple files around. The GoEngineer boys have always been there when I needed them. They've helped us with understanding file translations, helped us with modeling issues, across the board. Any kind of customized training they've put together for us at a drop in the hat, and that goes with our SolidWorks and our SolidWorks PDM. I can't say enough good about them.